We're at the Auld Spot and we're going to be showcasing Auld Diablo. Auld Diablo is a take on a really tasty cocktail called Auld Diablo. Basically what's different is we've added a bit of cherry whiskey and preserved cherries that we've been jarring during the summer. Preferably if you have cherries, I would say use Queen Anne cherries. They tend to have a nice sourness to it, but these are house-made cherries. If you see them over here, they're preserved in a little lavender and cinnamon. For the Auld Diablo that we're going to be making right now, we have 1.5 ounces of tequila. Our house brand is Hornitos. Next we're going to put in 1/2 ounce of cherry whiskey. Now we're going to put this over here is the juice from the cherries that we've preserved in it. We've done 2:1 ratio of water and sugar and 1 pot of cider vinegar. So we're going to go ahead and put 1/2 ounce in here. And then we're going to put 3/4 ounce of our freshly squeezed lime juice. Now we're going to take a couple of these cherries into a glass here and we're going to give them a little muddle just to release the juices. Now we'll go ahead and fill a shaker with ice. We'll give it a shake for about, let's say, 15 seconds. You don't really want to shake it too much because we've already muddled the cherries in. You just want to dilute the drink a little and chill it. So we've got a nice frosted glass that we're going to fill up with our ice right now. We're not really going to fine strain this drink because we want to have parts of the cherry in there, and we're just going to go ahead and pour it over our ice over here. We're going to top this glass up with some ice now. We're going to garnish with a couple of cherries up top and a nice little straw to drink.